Myntri katna tourism oba polling do hak arkunda trik risau ulo ong ba undang yok pediang ya kajing ai jingmut jong ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum MTDF na kabenta ban wanrah ya ka high speed luxury rail network kenang ban penduna ya kajing bampor hakalet kawan na Guwahati sya Shillong. Habakren Shakila patai kebor uba pol ulo ong ngandang yok pediang ya ka jingtyrwa lingba ka jingthoh na ka MTDF. Kanu ke badai na kabenta ka jingmento jong jela Meghalaya bat kabenta ban kentiu ya kikam jungok kai an sakmi benya lingba ka ni kapang. Henry ulaong ladap hiya kren halor ke lynti rel ke badai kamat ke bajerbet jerwat la bun snam menta kani kadai kakam ke bom dan jingadai bat kakam jungok kai bat kadai kabenta ka bakmi dakatna transport bat kanu ka jingshimrai halor ke ni kabenta an la ban shimrai da ka kinhuan menteri. Haka arpasan tarik urisau ke MTDF haka dorkas bala Aisha katana tourism kala Pynpaw halor ka jingdan kam ya ka sorkar jela bakal wanrah no da ka polisi ka bane ban kentiu yaki kam jungok kai haka jela da ka bakerpat ru halor ka jingdan kam ban wanrah ya ka high speed luxury rail network kenang ban penduna ya ka jing bampor haka let kawan na Guwahati sya Shillong.
We have yet to receive this proposal in black and white from the MTDF. Anything which is for the interest of Meghalaya and anything which caters to tourism will be viewed from that prism. But if you're talking of the railhead, which has been a contentious issue for many years, this is an issue that does not involve tourism. It relates to the transport department, and any decision taken on it can only be taken at the level of the cabinet.